Welcome! In front of me I have YAMAY SW022 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, so let's press the side button to do it. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. Like this, the icon will get highlighted, change color to white, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, you can open the quick panel again, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. The icon will go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.